Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how to upload a video to YouTube from iPhone. Please like the video. Watch the rest of the video. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad. Then in the upper right corner, we click on your account. You have to log in. Here we click on is, Home, Shorts, Subscriptions, Library. We click on plus. Then we select Video. It can be horizontal or vertical. We can also record shorts. And also publish. Click on Video. Choose any video. It's 2 minutes and 55 seconds long. Click on Next. Next we can come up with a title. Then we can write a description. Exit. Set the location. Make it private or expose it. And then click Next and it's published. Through your iPhone mobile device. That's how easy it is to do. If you liked this video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.